I'm facilitating a class this evening on the law of attraction. I'm really thrilled to be teaching these people simple techniques to avoid attracting negative things, things that they don't want in their lives, simply by shifting their language. After all, we know about the law of attraction. Whatever we put out, we'll receive. You put out a positive vibration, a positive feeling that emits a positive vibration. Guess what? That's what you get back. So, one simple technique is to avoid 3 words that when we change the language, we will change the vibration from negative to positive so that we can attract wonderful, amazing things in our lives. And those 3 words are don't, not, and no. Well, enjoy the evening, and I will see you again soon.